Hi, this is Corey from Woods. Today I want to talk to you about the Woods FZ22 out front zero-turn mower. It's powered by an FS61V Kawasaki commercial duty engine with 22 horsepower. The engine powers a pair of Hydrogear ZT3400 transaxles for ground speeds up to 9 miles per hour. A standard folding ROPS and seatbelt are provided on each unit. The folding feature of the ROPS is convenient for sheds with short doors. This machine can be equipped with turf drive tires or high traction chevrons for hilly terrain. Every FZ comes standard with walking beam dual tail wheels. The 8.5 gallon fuel capacity is available on every gas machine and provides a long day of mowing. The fully adjustable suspension seat is standard on every Woods FZ. The FZs are also available in large frame models with a 27-horse commercial air-cooled Kohler or a 25-horse liquid-cooled Kubota diesel. For more on Woods FZs or any of our implements, go to woodsequipment.com or give us a call at 1-800-31-WOODS.